At times of national tension like this, the more the voices, the better it is for everyone. The now famous saying by Edmund Burke holds true, and I quote, "All that is necessary for civil to triumph is for good people to do nothing," unquote. It became necessary for us in the National Peace Committee, the NPC, to try and do something because of the state we find ourselves as a country. Our current situation has no precedent, and it transcends the boundaries of political, religious, or regional affiliations. It is a most difficult time for our nation, and there is no debate about this at all. All voices of reason must rally together before it is too late. The members of the NPC have received calls by well-meaning Nigerians within and outside the country, as well as from our international friends, urging the NPC to wade in and try to douse the tension and find a way out of the current situation. As usual in our methodology for NPC to act, I consulted with various stakeholders who felt it was high time that something was done. After that consultation, I met Mr. President, His Excellency, President Buhari, GCFR, who was very receptive of the idea and wants a feedback after our meeting. So, ladies and gentlemen, we have been careful in inviting each of you to this meeting. We have not done so because we believe you or anyone has a single answer to the questions that plague our country. We all must agree that there is no single silver bullet to solve our problems. We believe that by reaching out to you, you might identify some of the key problems, share what you can with us, and let us see what we can achieve together. For our current crisis is not only a security issue in the narrow sense of the military definition. The state of insecurity is all-encompassing today. The Boko Haram insurgency, banditry, kidnapping, increasing poverty, the calls for the balkanization of the country from different quarters, the threat of hunger arising from the insecurity that the farmers have faced and continue to face, the increasing sense of collective despair and despondency among the populace. Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, the proliferation of caliber of weapons, not only in our sub-region in general, and in Nigeria in particular, is worrying. It is estimated that over 6 million of such weapons are in circulation in our country. This certainly aggravated the insecurity and led to over 80,000 deaths. And also, we have close to 3 million internally displaced persons, IDPs. Our security forces are not only overstretched, but understrengthened, underfunded, and can do with more sophisticated weapons, equipment, and more funding. We believe that Nigeria must find a way out of this problem. Our hope is that among us, by listening to your different perspective, we can begin to build our confidence among our people so that we can hold together. Our hope is that we should not only share our collective lamentations about our current situation, but propose some concrete suggestions that can point a way forward, suggestions that can inspire more confidence among our people and ensure that our country remains one. It is our expectation at this meeting we'll find out what are the conflict generators and how do we mitigate them. How do we fight crime? How do we empower our citizens economically? How do we strengthen our security our security forces, police, manpower-wise, and equip them properly? The tension in the country. Like I said in my speech, people are asking for balkanization of the country. And some recently in the southwest, there were some disturbances where people were unnecessarily killed. And within the last 2-3 days, we have heard how in Imo State, some people went and released criminals, and our police forces have become punching bags and targets. What has caused this? What can we do to mitigate all this?